So you want to exercise your butt? Is there a different speed? Today we're having a treat, kids. We're having homemade miso. And Moisey, she wants me to play ball with her. This is morning in our camp. Full moon. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm still at the hot spring, and so I'm gonna take you with us. It's really dark out. I mean, right here, the light that you see on my face, that's the moon. There's the sunrise. Got a little garbage cam this morning. But hopefully we'll get the pools all to ourselves. Outdoor shower. Let's turn it on. Well, good morning from another place, and well, another hot spring. I have my own private hot spring this morning. David and I have been touched down at this resort here, but I'm going to show you some of the most amazing little spots you can soak on this property. Good morning. Teriyaki chicken and veggies and a gorgeous sunset. So I'm standing out on the back of this is the living vehicle. I don't know if you've ever seen this on YouTube. This trailer is amazing. So this is the balcony outside, and then it's going into the kitchen here. And then here is the bathroom. Check this out. You come all the way in, and it's got this nice, gorgeous rain water shower, teak floors. I think this is a recycling water system. Yeah, very nice. From the shower to here, there's the toilet. Curtain. And then can you open it? And then there's the toilet. Yeah, look at the sink. I hate these sinks though. Oh, hello. This is our mooch docking spot in California, Arizona. We're at a friend's place, Uncle Charlie's and Becky's. There's David's van. You can see David's getting ready to go into the pool. So I hope you're warm and well wherever you are today. Oh, we have Leopold in the pool. Beautiful, beautiful blue skies, cactus. Where are we? Somewhere California, Arizona.
Oh, I know, right? It's that last level.
It's not heated, but
It's lovely.
we are. What do you think? It's 84 outside?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
So we're mooch docking at our
this
friends.
is free 99.
This is free 99. This is Uncle Charlie's. Thanks, Charlie. And Becky. Becky's the one that I made the ravdominium for. Come home, my darling. The weather's perfect. My mooch docking spot in California, Arizona. Let me just flip you around. So this yard is amazing. They don't put grass here. All right, good morning, travelers. I'm traveling with David, aka Leopold, and Moisey. She's back there somewhere. We are in California, Arizona, and there's a big rainstorm coming. So we're out running errands, before the storm.
More planned.
Yeah, he has more planned. Okay, so that too. But the reason I'm doing this video right now is because I just finished saying, okay, so great, we're going out and there's a rainstorm coming. What about the flooding and going through the water and the washes and stuff like that? So we'll see what happens.
We're fine.
We'll wait and see what happens. Well, it's another day at the California, Arizona compound, and I was just working on a video, and David came in to let me know that, oh, por Dio, there's a storm brewing. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh yeah. El Nino in the desert. I love it. Ooh. Ooh. It's chilly. Sorry about the wind. See, that's what the sky. Well, no, that's even cloudy too. Well, the pool's closed. Yeah, this is some heavy rain. These drops are huge. Huge. Okay, pool's closed.
So it's like 1:36 in the morning, and I just felt an earthquake. I thought that Leopold was shaking my car and playing a trick with me. So they said, let me see, stay safe after an earthquake. Okay. Oh, how exciting. Well, that was interesting, and I'm grateful that I'm out here in the desert and it's flat and there's no trees around me and I'm not in a house. But I hope everybody's okay out there after that earthquake. And now we wait for aftershocks. This is the one that freaks me out. Move to higher ground. So I'm still getting warnings on my phones right now. It's like 1:45 on February 12th. And there's aftershocks that are happening after that earthquake. This is like the second time in my life. Maybe the third. Yeah, probably the third. Like, I lived in California in early 2000s. And in 1999, believe it or not, when I lived in Soldotna, Alaska, we had an earthquake there, and I thought someone came into my room and started jumping on my bed because I just never expected an earthquake in Alaska before. But yeah, I'm in California, Arizona, and my phone right here was alerting me, the phone right there, that there's a 5.5 earthquake. And so now they're saying expecting aftershocks, and well, yeah, that's what's been happening. So estimated 5.5. It says that it's 69.6 miles away. Oh, California, you're getting just hammered this year. Poor little California. Oh my goodness. Well, good morning again from Quartzsite. This is the end of their season. It's, I don't know, it's sometime in February, later February. I have been circling the California, Arizona, and Nevada desert for the beginning of the 2024, let me turn the heat down here, winter. And my heart, thoughts, and prayers go out to all of the folks, around the country and in this area that have been hit with this crazy weather. I was heading for another place, even south, and the 4-day forecast is, and so the forecast for this next 4 days of this part of February is a lot of rain again, a lot of flooding. I mean, I had my second earthquake in my whole life in Arizona at Uncle Charlie's. And I'm not going to, I would love to be going to San Diego, the California coast, and Baja on the coastline. I just have this feeling that that's not the year to hang out on the coast, if you know what I mean. Earthquakes, tsunamis, whatever. Hang on, let me show you this sunrise. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Anyways, it's been a minute since I've filmed. I've been having fun, living my life off the camera. David and Moisey have split off, and he headed more east into New Mexico about a week ago. I think it's been a week now, and they're having fun, but I think he's regretting his decision, because I've been hanging out in the 70s and 52 at night. That's what it was here last night, here in Quartzsite. And I'm still in shorts driving. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm heading up to another destination today. I'm going to touch down on another spot here in somewhere southwest, maybe not quite Arizona, maybe Arizona, New Mexico. And just
is just magnificent. There's hardly anybody on the road, and you'll get to see some coyotes possibly. Maybe we'll even see one this morning. And owls and hawks and roadrunners and quails. And there's another one that's like a guinea bird, guinea something, guinea turkey. Anyways, yes, I love the morning in the desert. Good morning.
In a quarter mile, turn left toward La Paz Valley Road.
So it's an afternoon here at the hot springs somewhere in California, Arizona, and I'm at the pond. It's sunset. Fiona, do I have your permission to put you on YouTube?
Absolutely.
Fiona has decided to have a pedicure by the fish in this pond.
Here. Come back.
Don't splash your feet. There you go. Let them come. Oh my God. Oh my God. Here, I'll stand behind you. Yeah, you can get a pedicure. How does it feel?
It tickles.
Does it?
Yeah.
Are they biting hard? Do they have teeth?
Nope.
So they're just coming and eating the dead skin, right?
I hope so.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
what a cutie pie.
Yeah, so Mr. Heflog, I got him when I went to Japan in December of 2018. And he became my official travel buddy in 2019 when I went to Philadelphia because he could come with me and I couldn't bring my big teddy bear. And then he's just been my travel buddy ever since. So
He's a cutie pie.
yeah, if you ever go to my Instagram, it's like 10% pictures of me, 90% pictures of him.
Mm-hmm. Well, bed's made. It is another day. I have been circling this area, avoiding the cold snow, atmospheric rains, and just all of the. Let me fix my hair here. Anyways, I just want to show you a typical night in van life and where I stay. Yep. Just a neighborhood. If you know where it is, don't out me. So I just had a VanLife shower. You all know what that is. It's, spray bottle with water. Let's put the hat on. There. Now I'm ready for my day. I haven't been traveling very fast or very far once I made it to down here. And that's because, well, I just found some really pretty spots to touch down and stay at. And now I'm kind of doing a little more of a suburban stay. And I'm hanging out in little towns where they've got good libraries and good Wi-Fi and just enjoying my life on the road, meeting people and seeing new places. And yeah, no, that's just what I've been doing. Van life in Hollywood without a million people. Thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, please consider subscribing to my channel. Touch that thumbs up, tell your friends and family, and join me each week and come and be my co-pilot.